Hey guys, so months ago I purchased this iPhone 11 Pro, which is an absolutely fantastic phone, which is very affordable. It costs you about 75 or 78,000 rupees. I purchased this one from Flipkart, and it was my first Pro phone, first iPhone Pro. So, best thing about this particular model is that it was of 64 GB, so it was pretty cheap in terms of prices if you'll compare it with higher end 12 or 13. Also, it comes with the earpods, which the newer iPhones don't come with. Also, the adapter, so new iPhones don't come with those either. So it contained these freebies which will cost you about 4,000 rupees, in addition to the fact that it costs comparatively lesser because it is for about 76, and you can get more discount because this model is quite old. So you're getting all of the features with the camera being of it has the three cameras. One is the normal camera, and second one is the wide angle lens, and then there is narrow lens as well. So you are getting that, and the phone looks absolutely gorgeous. It's a very beautiful phone. So the screen size is bigger, slightly bigger. So these are some of the key features of this incredible phone. So if you are considering buying iPhone, and if you are getting a chance to buy this um, iPhone 11 Pro 64 GB, just make sure that you're getting those two earpods as well as the adapter. So if you're getting those, then this phone is a fantastic buy. So do consider buying this phone. I found it incredibly beautiful, very sturdy, handy. One of the things which you must do is ensure that you're getting spigen cover and the screen protector as well. They will cost you 1200 rupees for the cover and about 500 rupees for the screen protector. But definitely it's worth buying uh, those two, because what happens is when your phone will fall down, then chances of getting a major hit on the body as well as on the screen gets minimized drastically. So I very frequently drop my phone, and my phone has been intact for a long time because of these spigen covers that I had been using, also the screen protectors. So for me, spigen is the go-to for protecting my device, my beloved iPhone. So do make sure that you are getting the best care for your iPhone by getting those two, as well as if you can purchase the Apple Care subscription. These days they have changed the way you basically get that. You have to, I think, get it while you're buying your iPhone or within a month of your purchase of your iPhone. So make sure that you get that, because getting your iPhone fixed after the initial 1 year of warranty can be a very costly affair. While if you are just buying the Apple Care, it will cost you about 5 to 10,000 rupees, and it's definitely worth paying that amount, because obviously later on you may pay a lot more. So it's a kind of insurance. So for sure, if everything is working fine, then you will have that money wasted, but it's an insurance amount. So you are just paying to save some money if at all anything goes wrong. So this is the first boot of our iPhone. And one of the things which I loved about this iPhone was that I was upgrading it from iPhone 7 to iPhone 11. So it happened so quickly, right? It just copied all the contents of my iPhone 7 to iPhone 11 instantaneously. In within 10-15 minutes it was all done. So I was amazed by the way the data gets transferred. It was so quickly and smooth. I didn't have to do anything major. It was just tap 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 and the thing is done. So iPhone or Apple makes it really easy for you to migrate to a newer phone. So that is very nice about Apple. And definitely you should be doing that. If you're upgrading from Apple, you'll be able to do it very easily. So in all, my experience of upgrading from iPhone 7 to iPhone 11 Pro was amazing. Um, Things were very smooth, didn't face any issue, and I was absolutely happy with my iPhone 11 Pro. Just that the wide angle lens may not look very sharp in the night time, which is fine. So I think that has been improved in the 12 Pro. But in all, for the daytime or the evening time, shots are really incredible. So do check out other videos wherein people have recorded some test videos as well. So this is how the transferring of the data from 7 to 11 looked like. So yes, it's an incredible buy. Just go for it.
Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on Being Skilled.